Knowing how much you are risking before you take a trade is very important when it comes to trading, because so many beginners take trade without knowing how much they are actually risking and how much they are going to lose. And that's not the main reason why I'm making this video in the first place. The main reason I'm making this video is because so many people have asked me to actually make a video on how they can actually calculate lot size so that they can use the right lot size whenever they are taking a trade. And in this video, I'm just going to share with you a free lot size calculator, how you can fill the actual data in it so that you'll be able to know how much you are risking whenever you are taking a trade. So guys, before we proceed, let's give a big shout out to our today's sponsor, lightfinance.org. Light Finance is one of the best trading platforms out there, boasting over 4.3 rating on Trustpilot, which means that they are highly positive and users have positive view of them. And they offer one of the best and easiest trading platforms out there as well. So basically, when you come over here, you have access to MetaTrader 4 and 5, CTrader, so forth and so on. And they offer some of the best spread, which is as little as 0.0 spread for some trading pairs, and also has the fastest execution when it comes to trading. On top of that, they offer over 600 trading pairs ranging from forex, stock, commodities, cryptos, and so forth and so on. And to top it all up, it's even advisable for non-good traders to actually use, as they offer copy trading, which is a way for you to actually make profit without having to know how to trade. All you basically have to do is simply copy already profitable trade on their platform from other profitable traders, and you can basically be making profit autopilot. So guys, that aside, now let me share with you how you can actually calculate your lot size. Now when it comes to calculating lot size, all you need to do is simply come over to this website, myfsbook.com. Now if you need a direct link to it, just comment link that in this video description, in the comment section, and I'm going to share you the link to this website. Now once you come over here, the first thing you need to do is simply you need to select the currency you are trading. Like for example, if you are trading GBP USD, you just come over here and type in GBP USD. Now you see it pops up, then you select it. Next up is simply your account currency. If your account is in US dollar, which most of you are going to be in, then you go for it. And if your account is in different currency as well, you also go for that particular currency. Now in my own situation, all my accounts are in USD. Now next up is basically your account size. Now basically you enter your account size in it. Now next up is simply how much you are going to risk. Now when it comes to how much you are going to risk, now this advice is not related to this video, but here is it. As a trader, do not risk more than 2% of your account. Don't do that if you really want to be profitable on the long run. So what you need to do is simply, in case you want to risk 2%, they basically type in here 2%. So you basically come in here and they type in 2%. But then if you are someone who you are a bit confused of doing the percentage side of the calculation, and then you want to risk a particular amount, maybe $50, $100 or $1,000, all you need to do is simply come over to here, say swap with money. Then you come over here. Now you input the amount you want to risk. Like in this situation, I'm using a $10,000 account as an example. So approximately 10%, 2% of it will be $200. So I just input $200. Now the next thing that is very important is simply the stop loss pips. How many pips are you actually going to risk this money on? So let me just come over to GBP USD. Now it's very important you know your pips. So how do you measure your pips? Okay, here is a valid setup I had that I still did not take. Now let me say from this chart now, you can clearly see that where this bar is my entry. So for example, let me say I'm entering this trade from here. Let me say here is my entry. Here is my entry, and then here this side like this is my stop loss. Let me position it well. So like this, let me say this red side is my stop loss. So how do I know how many pips are there? Basically, if you are using TradingView, whether you're on your phone or on your laptop, just grab this measure tool here. Now just come over to this tool, and then you place it here, and then you drag it across. Now once you drag it, it's going to show you how many pips you are risking. According to here, it's showing me that I'm risking 19.4 pips. So if I'm risking 19.4 pips, the next thing you need to do is simply come back to this website, and then if it's showing something like 19.4, I advise to use 21 pips. The reason I'm saying 21 pips is basically there will be a little spread added by your broker. So you should be ready for it. So you can either use, once it shows 19 pips, I would advise to use like 22 pips on this website and above for a reason, because you need to cover up for the spread as well. If you say 20 pips, you can use 23, 24 on this website. Now next up is simply the trade size calculator. Now here, the lot size, I'll advise you to leave it 1 by default. Just keep it as 1 like this that it is. Don't change it. Now all you need to do is simply click on it says calculate. Now once you calculate, you see the website will tell you if I'm risking 2%, that means I'm buying 90,909 units of GBP USD, and my lot size should be 0.1 lot maximum. Very simple and straightforward. Now you shouldn't use this calculation for every single pair you trade. The reason is simple. If I should come over to Euro USD, let me come over to Euro USD. Okay, let me go over to Euro USD, which is the closest to GBP USD. Okay, here is it. Now let me use the same data and hit on calculate. Okay, you see for Euro USD and GBP USD, they have same figures. Now let me take a different pair in general, maybe GBP NZD, and then let me hit on calculate. Now you see the lot size here is 1.5. So basically the calculation you got for one particular market, don't use it for another market. For every single pair you want to trade, make sure you come over here to calculate the lot size before you start using it. So guys, with this already said, if this is your first time on this channel, please do have to smash that subscribe button, because I basically focus on creating helpful videos for you to actually become a better trader. And if you're looking for a very reliable broker to use, I'm recommending you to use lightfinance.org. And when you sign up for Light Finance and you send me the evidence on my Telegram community, I'll actually add it to my VIP, where you can stay for 2 months for absolutely free without paying anything. So once you sign up for Light Finance and then you fund your account using the link that will be down in this video comment section, I'll give you access to my premium trading company platform for 2 weeks without you paying a dime for it. And if you are someone who wants to trade Propfirm as well, I personally recommend Blueberry Funded. They are the Propfirm that I received payout from multiple times. So the links to all of this will be down in this video description and also in the comment section as well, guys. So see you in my next video. Bye.